Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and we're going to be doing Monster Truck. You see that big baby? Versus that thing. And if you think you know, just comment down below and like this video. I'm going to have my friend holding the camera, and if my screen goes dark, you just tap it before it goes fully dark.
Okay.
Thanks.
Okay, got it.
Alright, and you just aim it at us. So, Russell, get down.
And I do not know how to drive these that good, so
Just keep watching the phone. So first things first, we're gonna start by
doing donuts.
Alright, what? Let's get ready. Hey, yes, screen. Make sure it doesn't fall down. Alright, here we go, guys. Gotta get it attended to. Whichever one flips first is the loser. Watch the screen, make sure it doesn't go black.